my name is Rob Husted, and welcome to Kitchen Cocktails Online, a resource for enthusiasts and bartenders alike on how to make great cocktails with common ingredients you probably already have in your kitchen, pantry, or fridge. Our goal is to get you back behind the bar of sorts, making great cocktails again. So don't forget to like, share, and comment on what cocktails or ingredients you'd like to see in an upcoming episode. And we look forward to you joining us on this cocktail adventure from our kitchen to yours.